Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you step by step how to turn on dark mode in the YouTube application in 2025. We all know that dark mode makes the app easier on eyes and helps save battery on OLED screens. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to launch your YouTube application on your phone and make sure that you are signed in into your account. Now tap on your profile picture here in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Then select the option of this gear icon in the top right hand corner in order to access the settings of your YouTube application. Now here inside General, the third option would be of Appearance. So if you tap on this option, you can select whether you want to use the device theme. This is going to match your phone's light and dark setting. You can then select the option of light theme if you want to keep it white always. Then you can also select the option of dark theme if you want to make the dark theme. But since you want to turn on the dark mode, simply select the option of dark mode and your YouTube application will come here in the dark mode. Now, if you are not able to see this option or if you are facing any kind of problem while accessing this option, the second thing that you can do is you can simply just scroll down the notification bar of your mobile. Over here, by default, if the device's theme is light, you can select the option of dark mode in order to get your YouTube application in the dark mode too. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video. If you have any questions, you can just let me know that in the comment section below. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.